start, Ryan. 6:16. How about some breakthrough humidity? Yeah, that is what is breaking through Lake Michigan right now and coming into the lower peninsula. We've been feeling that this afternoon, and it's only going to go up over the next few days and to a very high level, it looks like, already by tomorrow and into Saturday. Skycam, outdoors, tower cam, I should say, looking at the city of Grand Rapids. Lots of sunshine, just some passing clouds. We'll carry that through 7 o'clock, even 9 o'clock, and, partly cloudy. That means that it's really a mix of sun and clouds, and dropping back to 71 by 11 o'clock tonight. No threat of any rainfall anytime soon, but that is going to change here after midnight, as there will be some heavier downpours around, and I think likely you will experience them wherever you are, because there should be some pretty decent coverage overnight tonight. Now, severe weather, no, but thunder and lightning can be included with some of this, and heavier downpours that will arrive, say, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, going through 6, 7, 8 o'clock. Doesn't mean it's raining at all times in all locations, but that's the time step to look for as you're headed off to work on Friday. And then a few storms expected on Saturday still, but not a huge weather event for the first half of the weekend, I don't think. Warm and humid weather to dominate as we go forward. 79 degrees tomorrow. That will be our daytime high. The box gray, I should have colored that blue, because when it's blue, it means below normal. The average high tomorrow, 83. We typically color it gray when we have an average high projected, so that's a little error by myself, but no air here. Red boxes and above normal temperatures riding in, upper 80s to near 90 degrees. It looks like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So that, coupled with humidity that will be basically off the charts, we will have heat indices into the middle 90s, certainly, if not higher, in a couple of those days if we really maximize the warming on the thermometer. Have reached to around 80 degrees this afternoon, now coming down a degree or two from our peak. And how about the peak temps out to the west? 100-degree reading showing up Nebraska northward into South and North Dakota, and a lot of warmth we have seen in recent weeks going way northward into Canada. I mean, there's a nose of warm air headed right towards the North Pole, and 90-degree temps in this province of Saskatchewan. How about that? So considerably warmer than where we are right now, but some of that will be headed our way by Sunday and beyond. Dew points, pretty tolerable for July just by the numbers here, but it feels more humid than is actually represented numerically here because there's no wind. So it feels more humid than these dew points in the 60s would seem to indicate, and it's going to get higher for tomorrow. I think dew points could be up near 70 degrees for the day on Friday, and that will be following up these thunder showers that will arrive overnight tonight. I'll tell you why those are going to be developing in just a moment. We've got a fair amount of sunshine. You can't see that, just passing higher level clouds today, so no threat of any rainfall. These clouds way too high in the atmosphere to deposit any water for us here in the short term. But now check this out. As the maps get wider, there's going to be a warm front that shows up here on the chart, and that coupled with a low-level jet stream that gets active in the late evening and overnight. And as this warm front creeps closer to us, this low-level jet coming up from the south, those two interacting, and there will be a blossoming of showers and some thunder showers. Watch the RPM model, this rapid precision mesoscale model, which is trying to pick up on these fine details in the atmosphere. And you can see it's flaring it pretty decently there. Now, where exactly the spatial coverage is will be a little different than the model suggesting, but I think between about 2 a.m. and say 9 a.m. our best chance. By the afternoon, I think we're primarily dry. Could be an additional pop-up shower, but I think the model's overdoing that. And then as we get into Saturday afternoon, this now the European model, a little pop-up shower thunderstorm could come about into the evening as the system passes well to our north in southern Ontario. That is pretty far north to bring significant weather around here, but with all the humidity in place, anything that does flare could be a little gusty, so we'll keep tabs on that. Temperatures down, looking summer-like and humid, near 90 early next week.
All right, thank you for that, Anthony. Still more to come here at 6.